Hey guys, it's Jamie Nicholls here from directforextrades.com. And I just want to congratulate you on making the smart decision to be here and to sign up today. Now, what you need to do is click the link below this video, the sign up link, and that will take you to this page. Okay, so you'll need to fill in your basic information here. You will then need to create a user account and password. These are very important because these are what you use to log into your account. So make sure you write them down somewhere safely. Okay, then it's down to our packages. Now, to be a part of our team and trade how we trade, we suggest to choose the Platinum Starter Pack at 225. Okay, this comes with a harmonic scanner that we use to trade. Then the ongoing payments, so that is your initial payment, 225. The ongoing payments are then 164.95. So that's 30 days on. As part of our team, we use the web analyzer here. Okay. So once you are signed up and logged in, you can go to your shopping cart and you can add this web analyzer for $21.95. Okay. So your monthly cost will then come to $186.90, $186.90. Okay. Now, being part of our team, this will give you all the BBM Elite software, the bonus software. You will get part of our trading group, our community group, and this comes with all of us live trading together, so you can actually see how we do it as a team. Now, if you really want to, you can click the Elite Starter Pack and have all the products in one go. That's not a problem, but it's not necessary to start off with. As part of our team and with how we live trade, we suggest the Platinum Starter Pack. It's also important to know that you can upgrade and downgrade once you've created your account. So if you're currently a Platinum Starter Pack, you can upgrade to Elite Starter Pack within your account. Also, the other way is if you're currently doing the Elite Starter Pack and you want to downgrade to the Platinum Starter Pack, that's also okay. You can upgrade and downgrade and move products around as you see fit. Okay, so let's move down to here, down to the credit card information. Now this is where you'll put all your details. It's very important that you use your credit card details, not your wife's, not your partner's or brothers or sisters. It has to be in your name. This is due to fraud protection. And the next thing is to click all these boxes here. Make sure you click this one here. This is me, Jamie Nicholls. You have to click this box to be a part of our team because this will connect you directly to me. And then all you got to do is click join now. As soon as you do that, contact me straight away. I'll get you added to our groups, our trading group, our community group. We'll give you the bonus software for our BBM Elite. So we can get you trading and learning straight away. You'll be part of our training team, our training units. So let's get you involved straight away. I just want to congratulate you again for making this smart decision. I look forward to seeing the success that you make within Forex, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day.